A few moments later.
Put it on to chicken wings. So, wings. 25 minutes per start. Get your board out ready. So, need your board. Need this. So, get your board out. Get your board. Get your board there. Right. That's what we're having. Chicken wings. So, the wings look like this, guys. Look. Beautiful. That stuff, what's on my wings, is this. No, it's not that one, actually. It's this one. It is butter chicken, and it's from B&M. But I got mine from Tesco's. Tesco's are 69p at Tesco's at the moment. So you've got a garlic one, you've got barbecue, or you've got your butter chicken. Yeah. They do other ones as well. They do piri-piri chicken. They do Cajun. They do mixed spice. They do a lot of things, guys. But that's the one I'm having today. I ain't had chicken wings in over 5 days, so it's about time I had chicken again. All week I've been eating. Last night I had fish for a change. I had fish. That was really nice. I had fish last night, really tasty. So big up the fish, really nice. So getting that preheated. I put my coffee into my thingy for a change, because I never do this. There we go. Put my coffee into there. Got a new camera on my mobile, what's really good, but I'm not using that at the moment. So there's my coffee. Coffee's in there, guys, for the time being. Right then, gonna get my phone, I'll be back. So there you go, guys. Got my phone in my hand with a picture of me on for that. So we're waiting. So there's me on my phone for that for a picture. Right, still waiting for that. So while you're waiting, you get some oil. There we go. What we wanted. So get your air fryer. Open it up like so. Get your chicken wings right here, put them all in, as many as you can fit in. I'll fit them all in because I'm good when it comes to things like this. So what I want to say is thank you to everybody who supports me on this lovely channel. I'm getting more subscribers by the day, what I'm blessed about, and I thank you everybody who's done it. So what you're doing now, instead of wasting all this stuff, instead of wasting it, put that all over. Look at this, beautiful. Right, wash your hands after. Dry your hands off. Right, now get your finger, spray it all over. Keep going, don't stop. Be afraid just do this. I want to cover every single one. spray oil all over, like you do. Right then, 25 minutes, go. Poyaka. Done, guys. So that's your wings on first. Right. Next thing you do, you get yourself a drink before you bottle up. There you go, guys. Best bottle in the world to get one of these. Meant to drink 4 of them a day of cold water. Meant to drink 4 of them a day, or 6 of them a day with cold water, but I do blackcurrant squash. So, still good for you. So, what you do, blackcurrant. Put about like that. Get your water really cold. I don't like it warm water, I prefer really cold water. So how is everybody today? Have you had a nice day? And what have you been up to? Because I've been up to hardly anything. I need a shower because I look like a werewolf again. Right, there we go. Pinky food. There we go, guys. Bottle. You drink it. And while you're here, look at this. Look at that. Body's getting better every day, guys. Getting better. Like I say, one, Hayes getting better, and that's good news. That's good news for me. Family are good. Everybody's good. So if you want to find me and that lot, go on TikTok. Find me on TikTok. There you go. There's my TikTok account. Right, you ever want to find me? There you go. Right there. That's mine. Go and find me on that. And while we're here, we'll do a TikTok. We have to. It's the law. So there you go. We'll do a TikTok while you're here as well. Let's do a TikTok together. Let's do a TikTok together, guys. There we go. This is what we do, guys. This is what we have to do. It's the law. Beautiful. There we go.
Need to start pushing.
Posted it, guys. It's gone. It has gone. TikTok, go and add me on TikTok. Go and add me on Facebook. Add me on Instagram. Add me on whatever you want. So if you want to go on Facebook and find me, there you go. This is my Facebook. I've got 2 Facebooks, guys. Right, I've got loads of Facebooks, but that's just a different thing. If you want to find me, on Facebook, there you go. Right, there you go. There you go. That's my Facebook. That's my Facebook. And if you want to find me on Instagram, this is my best following. This is the best one I'm on. Best platform I'm on, guys, with all followers. So there you go. You want to find me on this? Come and find me on this. There you go. There. That's my Instagram. Or the best one is, if you are new to my YouTube channel, yeah, go onto YouTube. I don't want YouTube music. Right, go onto YouTube. Right, there you go. Here's YouTube. Click the corner up there. And type in there. There. DJB Family Brown. There you go. That's me. That's mine. That's the one I did earlier. Walking. Go.
How do you do? How did you get better hands out of hospital? So, fucked up guys. Made me happy. Very, very happy. I was worried when she was in hospital. But
No chance, mate.
It's good news. It means I can go to see her soon. So, and I will do. Got what I want to be with. Got what I love. So, what we're doing at the moment, we are walking.
Go and add me on here, guys. Go and add me. Right then, people. It's been amazing. Been amazing talking to you. Been amazing. I love doing YouTube videos, guys. I love doing YouTube videos. And they are cooking beautiful. So I'm going to go and chill out for a bit now. I'm going to chill out now before my chicken's cooked properly all the way through. I'm going to put this video on. I'm going to put this video online. And then I'm going to take a photo of my chicken wings, and yeah, I'm going to take a picture of my chicken wings, and then I'm going to put it onto my phone. And if you're wondering what I'm watching, I am watching Keeping Up Appearances on the telly. I've got my boy there, I've got my other boy there. Mwah, love you kids. And then I've got all my family over here. And then come to the Duchess. My nan, my love of my life. And then I've got my granddad somewhere. Got my granddad somewhere. There you go. There's my granddad. Another good thing. And then I've got my lads, and I'm not going to put my lads online because it's not fair. I know I'm showing you one photo, but that's about it. Right then, let's get this video sorted and let's get it posted. Right then, guys, look after yourself, and thank you for watching. Bye, 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 bye. Right then, peeps, I've done a video about chicken wings tonight, yeah, and they are in there, and there is 40 seconds left. So what we're going to do is we're going to take them out in a second. I'm going to get my bowls and that lot ready for it. I want to show you what they look like when they come out, guys, because this is my dinner for tonight. People might say to me they look burnt, but they're not. They are perfectly cooked. You know when chickens cook, guys. So I just want to show you what they look like when they come out. So if you do watch my YouTube channel, please put a like on my video today if you like the video or not. If you don't like the video, you don't like the video, do you? There you go. Done, guys. Right then, you ready? First thing we do, turn it off the wall. They're done. Right, are you ready for this? Ready? Look at these. Look at these. Look at them. Absolutely pucker. Look at these. Look. Look at these. Beautiful. Right then. There are my chicken wings in there. I'm going to get them out. Then I'm going to take a photo and then I'm going to put it online. So look at them. Right then, guys. Thank you. And see you later.